Hello, 안녕하세요, 여러분. Welcome to QK YouTube channel, QK Lovers. Hey. Today I am going to review another sexy and cute and unique, some interesting pantyhose. So this one is sheer tights, by the way. So I'm wearing the opaque tights, black, and we're gonna switch to sheer black tights. Before we get into that, like my video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please don't forget that. Please, because I know you guys haven't been watching my channel for a while, but you always forget to subscribe my channel. So, and more contents of me, there are fun and exclusive contents on my membership site. So please check this out. Alright, let's get started today's review. Well, before I'm showing you guys this new tights today, I want to show you guys my outfit. It's like, what do you think? It's very eye-catching and like very unique and special, definitely. Even not just the style of this outfit, the color with gold spangles. I don't know what it's called, maybe spangles. So with the full of spangles, it's all like very, I don't know, it's funny and unique. So I feel like with this pattern pantyhose, I want to make this like some, I'm going to the maybe like dance club, or if that is, since this outfit is a little bit tacky and funny, so I would just call it like disco cabaret. So we are just styling up with cute hair for cabaret night. Let's pretend it's a Friday night. Ooh, yeah. I mean, with this outfit, I think I like to try something unique and fun, but sometimes I also think this is funny to wear this. So I don't know if I can wear, I don't know if I can find somewhere to wear this. Otherwise I go to disco club, disco dancing cabaret club. Okay, this Giulia Dael 20 denier pattern tight. As I understand so far with this Giulia tights, I think they're making very simple and just average quality of pantyhose with very unique and lovely patterns on that regular tight. So their quality are fine, but what make their brand special is their unique patterns. So far, that's what I understand. Today is very cute basil pattern, which is all the logo. It's love letter, and with a red heart. Okay, so waistband is as usual. Average is fine, it's good. And then it has some cute patterns along the side of stitches on your belly. And here's cotton gusset. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's another one. Another feature is that has a heel and toe shape. So you won't forget which side is which for multiple wearing them. Yay! Oh, I love that. I love this love tights. That's so cute. When it stretches out with after wearing them, the love is not clearly as it looked before trying on, but it still looks good. So, and also what I like is less stretches on the feet and thinner area, so it's a bigger smaller love letter. And on my thigh and here on your cheek, it's a bigger love. So it's cute. I like that. Like a gradation. Oh, it's like a gradation. How do I say that? Like a letter, it's smaller to bigger. Crescent. Well, how you like it? I had to check the mirror for myself. Well, okay, completely it's tacky. So it's completely like a old school fashion. So with this gold top spangles with a cute but also a little bit funny love letter pattern tights. And then just black simple skirt for disco cabaret. Are you guys ready? So for me, I think that having the guide of heel and toe shape was just easier for me to try that on. I like that. And then we're gonna go for dancing. I need a high heel, but I don't really wear like a really high heel because I can fall off of during I'm dancing. It's the lovely rose high heel. Dael 40 denier. Sorry if I mentioned the 20 denier sheer pattern tights. Sorry, I will fix it. It's a 40 denier Dael. And the package, the model's wearing with this mini black dress and black high heel. So I also put in some cute rose black high heel for that. I don't know how it goes matching with the other items with the skirt and this spangles gold top, but so far I like that. Funny. I didn't expect it that I like that, to be honest, but I do. Well, thank you, Giulia, making fun and lovely tights so I can have a fun with you guys. I don't know how much you guys like this black 40 denier pattern tights though. It was really good to try. So far, I think from Giulia pattern tights, should I say that one's the most my favorite? Not sure. No, I like the Insomnia with the diamond shape with like heart and diamond. That pattern tights too. So I wouldn't say it's my favorite from Giulia tights, but it's one of them. So yeah, I like that. Thank you very much for watching my video today. I hope you guys have a nice day, and please leave a good comment below in description box. Oh, sorry, not description box. Please leave a good comment in comment. I will read your comments. Bye guys, love you.